Hello.
So we are in Deepshika's office. Deepshika is the daughter of Vashu Bhagnani and the producer of Bade Miyan Chote Miyan. And this is her plush office in prime location in Mumbai, which is in Juhu. And that's partly also because Vashuji is a builder. Not many people know that, but I know because he came to Dubai. And we might see something there as well. Who knows?
Thank you.
And we are on Conversations.
Yes, Conversations.
Finally, we have the face to the name Deepshika that we've been seeing on so many films that Vashu Bhagnani, Pooja Entertainment are making. She's the daughter of Vashu Bhagnani and she's the producer of Bade Miyan Chote Miyan, that which is the big Eid release. Are you nervous or excited or happy? क्या चल रहा है दिमाग में?
I'm super excited and also super nervous because, you know, this one's a really big one for us. I mean, it's the first time we're making action of this massive scale. So it's a tentpole film for us. So it's very exciting, but it's very nervous as well. And you said ki you're putting a face to a name. I'm really shy. I rarely come in front of the camera.
Exactly, I've always been, and you know, you won't believe when we reached the theatre today, I actually pulled one of the PR persons aside and I said, is she Deepshika? Because I just kind of felt when you walked in, everybody was around you, and only a producer will walk all like, you know, ready today to face the world the way you did.
Oh my God, I hope, no, but thank you. I'm a very shy person. You know, I've always been shy. I've always been behind the scenes. So I'm a little doubtful with, should I go, should I not? So
No,
yeah.
but good, this is a good start, and I think your whole family has come into this. Now, you guys have made bigger films, like big films. You've made
Correct.
a lot of number ones, like Coolie number one, Hero number
Yeah.
one. In those days, those were considered to be very big films.
Correct.
So why is this film something that each one of you is coming and telling us that, you know, oh, this is so big that we are literally like, now we don't know what will happen.
You know, when Bade Miyan released back in 1998, it was one of the biggest films
Yeah.
to be made at that particular time. And you know, these are some of Papa's gold franchises, whether
Yeah.
it's Hero number one, Coolie number one, Bade Miyan Chote Miyan. So, you know, when we decided to remake this film, I must tell you the story. We were like, you know, which are the franchises that we want to take forward? How should we do this? What's the thought behind it? And then Jackie was like, you know, I want to give this a spin of an action entertainer. And we were like, okay, but that was a comedy. How is this going to work? He said, let me figure this out and come back. He went, he signed Ali Abbas Zafar. He got Akshay sir on board. He got Tiger on board. And today, you know, 2 years later, when I'm seeing the promo of this film, when I've seen the film also last week in reality, you know, it's so gratifying because, you know, आप सोचते हो कि आपकी एक vision होती है for your franchise, but I really want to put out a gratitude work for Ali Abbas Zafar. What he's done to the franchise, what he's done for us is heartfelt. I mean, to see this and to see people's reaction, and it's massive. You know, we've not done action of this sort. We've not done a scale in action like this.
But tell me something, you know, in a world where there are so many corporates coming into
Yeah.
filmmaking, I think Vashuji is one of those lone standing individual producers जो फिर अभी भी खुद का पैसा लगा रहे हैं. अभी भी he's a family supporting him.
Yeah.
So how do you guys as a family take if a film does well or it doesn't? Like, doesn't it really affect everything in your life?
Of course
Because
it
you're
does.
betting big.
Of course it does. It affects everything. You know, every film is your baby. It's like whatever you make with whatever intention you're putting out, everyone, small producer हो, medium producer हो, बड़ा producer हो, सब चाहता है कि हमारी picture, you know,
Yeah,
अच्छा करे, because you know there's money involved, there's stakes involved, there's work involved, you know, there's so much that depends on it. So, you know, everyone comes out with an intention to make a good film. So yes, if a film doesn't work at the box office, it
So
definitely
do you
does
have a
hurt.
plan B is what I'm trying to ask.
So there always has to be a plan B. But yeah, the intention is always to make something good. And like you said, like, you know, this film is a massive film for us. You know, we've put in a lot. Actually, we've put in all that we have.
Money-wise as well?
A lot, yes. A lot of all that we have. And, you know, I think in this, I would like to say, for Pooja Entertainment, I want to, you know, say this, that, you know, if it wasn't for Dad, I don't know how this would have happened.
Right.
Because it's too big a film for us
For
to be
your kids
producing,
to be making
to be making it. So I think Dad has been rock solid behind this project. He's believed in it. And a lot of people have commented on me, but, you know, I don't know, Vashu Bhagnani has a heart.
Yeah,
to
he
be
does.
able to
And when I
make
spoke
this
to him, I
film of this
realized
scale.
that
Yeah.
he is all heart. But I think so. In this case, Plan A is that the film has to work. Plan B is believe in Plan A. There's no Plan B.
It
at
is
the
100% going to work because you know the kind of reactions we're getting, the kind of love we're getting in this genre, it's insane. And Ali Abbas Zafar is a phenomenal director. You know, whether it's Sultan or Tiger Zindai, you've seen him give that, and I've seen the film. It's really something else. You know, sometimes you go out to make something, but God has an even better plan for you. So
That's
what
what
he's
you think has happened.
yes,
Okay, now you are
God-
you
God's
are
grace.
Yeah, I mean, you have to believe, of course, it's coming on Eid.
Yeah.
Can't be bigger than
Yes.
that. Especially in the UAE.
Yeah,
Because
it's
Eid is-
we're so
Eid is the
lucky to
date-
be getting this date. You
yeah,
know
that's
that
the date when everybody
all
goes
the
out and
blessings, all
celebrates
the
it.
blessings.
So finally, you know, you are a woman producer, and everybody says that you know it's about women empowerment and all that. But this film is testosterone. It's all male-dominated turf out there. What role were you playing? Were you the mastermind of the business, or were you the creative mind?
I think the creative in this one is Ali and Jackie. I did help in the initial story settings and figuring out how we should position this film or distribution and all of that. But I'm not going to take a lot of credit away from the men that they have done the work. But I think being a female producer on this set was a learning in every day. I think because like I said, this kind of action is something that we've never done before. We had Craig and Parvez Bhai, but Craig is from South Africa, and the kind of action we've seen, it was a learning every single day on set. And I'm a student. For me, if I go on set and I learn something, for me, those days are like a huge success.
Thank you so much for talking to us.
Thank you.
Really
Thank
wish you all the best.
Thank you
for
so much.
Bolivia.
Thank you. Thank you.